students. Students, today we will discuss the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. And we have discussed in earlier video many cell organelles. So today we will discuss the prokaryotic. What is the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? So if we talk about the various living organisms are present on the earth. So on the basis of the living organism present on the earth, we can classify into two types. One is the non-cellular organism and second is the cellular organism. So student, what do you mean by the non-cellular organism? No cellular organism. So student, the organism that do not contain any cell in their bodies. For example, virus. If we take example of the virus, they lack the cell membrane. So they do not any characteristics of the living organism until they enter into the body of the cell, like prokaryotic and eukaryotics. So in this way we can say that virus is a link between the living and non-living things, because outside the host it act a non-living things, but when it enter into the body of the other cell, it will be live. So virus is a no cellular organism because they lack the cell membrane. Understand? Now, second type is the cellular organism. Those organisms contain one or more cells in their body are called, you can say, cellular organism. Mostly bacteria, plants and animal cell are the cellular organism. And this cellular organism further divided into two parts. One is the prokaryotic cell and second is the eukaryotic cell. Understand? Now first we will discuss this prokaryotic cell. Now focus on the board. This is the prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotics. They contain the primitive and incomplete cell. They have the primitive and incomplete cell. And also student, they have the three basic structure. And this DNA also and cytoplasm also. And there is a lack of the nuclear membrane. So if we talk about the nuclear material of the prokaryotic cell, consisted of a single chromosome. They have the single chromosome. Single chromosome. And is directly attached to the cytoplasm. Directly attached. So if we talk about the nucleus, there is a no nuclear membrane. There is a no, we can say the nucleus, it's present, we can say that the undefined nucleus is present. And so because there is a no membrane outside, so that is called the nucleus. And also student, the size of the prokaryotic cell is small. Size of the prokaryotic cell is 1 to 10 micrometer. 1 to 10 micrometer. They are the incomplete cell. And also student, cell organelles also. Membrane bound cell organelles, mitochondria are also absent in the prokaryotic cell. And if we talk about the cell division, in the prokaryotic cell is the fission or budding. Understand? And if we talk about the ribosomes is present in the prokaryotic cell. Understand what I am saying? So if we talk about what is the difference between this non-cellular organism and this prokaryotic cell. There is this virus like the cell membrane, but there is a membrane, three basic structure. It is a living cell. It is a, we can say that the outside the body of the cell, it is a non-living. It is a link between the living and non-living, but this is a living. Now second cellular organism is a eukaryotic. They have the complete and advanced cell. Now you can see this diagram. Focus on the board. So they have the complete and advanced cell. You can see the structure of this prokaryotic cell, and the size of the prokaryotic cell is a 5 to 100 micrometer. And if we talk about the chromosome, in this prokaryotic cell of bacteria, only single chromosome is present. But if we talk about this eukaryotic cell, more than one chromosomes are present. Understand? And now you can see this diagram of the eukaryotic cell of the animal. The plasma membrane also present. You can see the cytoplasm and the nuclear membrane are also present. You can see the nucleus, and the outer part is the nuclear membrane. Now you can see the nucleolus also, and this is a nucleoplasm. But if we talk about the prokaryotic cell, there is an undefined nucleus is present, but this is a defined nucleus is present, because a complete structure of the nucleus are present in the eukaryotic cell. We have discussed in earlier video, student, the structure of the nucleus. Understand? So if we talk about next, this membrane bound organelles such as Golgi body, also ribosomes, Golgi body, ribosome, lysosome are also present in the eukaryotic cell. More than one cell. If we talk about the cell division, student, mitosis also and meiosis also, cell division are also present in the eukaryotic cell. So I hope you understand what is the difference between the non-cellular organism and cellular organism. Virus is a, student, non-cellular. Why? They do not any characteristics of the living organism. They lack cell membrane. They do not have any cell, like virus. Cellular organism, these are the prokaryotic and eukaryotic. This is a very important question. What is the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? So what is the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? Prokaryotic cell means they have the incomplete cell, or we can say that they have the primitive cell. There is a membrane bound cell organelles are absent. Mitochondria are absent, but ribosomes are present in the prokaryotic cell. Three basic structure are also only present in this. Undefined nucleus is present, but if we talk about the eukaryotic cell, the size is large. Then the prokaryotic cell, the size is a 1 to 10 micrometer, but eukaryotic cell is a 5 to 100 micrometer. They have the complete or advanced structure. Complete. Also plasma membrane, you can see that cytoplasm, nucleus is also present, and nuclear membrane, nucleolus and nucleoplasm also present. And all membrane bound structure are present in the eukaryotic cell. So I hope you understand, student. So learn this question also. What is the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? Okay, students, bye.